Hi guys, it's Tammy with My Organized Chaos, and today I'm going to be showing you the Dyson V6 mattress. Now I'm going to be grossing out just a little bit in my blog post with some stats and some figures as to why you need to vacuum your mattress, but I haven't done it before to this mattress. So Dyson sent me their V6 mattress just to see the results that I get, and I'm a little afraid to do this, but as you can see, you know, the Dyson V6 mattress model here is a white and green product. Now that's very different than the other Dyson products. It stands out. It has a very special job. So let's click this together and let's see what happens. Right out of the box, it's ready to go. Listen to that motor. Vacuumed about half of my mattress, and this is what it collected the first time. Now that might not look too bad, actually. I was expecting more, but oh look, it's moving in there. Yeah, that's static, but still that's gross. You know that's not dust though, and that's the thing. It is dust, but you know what, it's dust mites. And once again, I'm going to freak you out in my blog post just a little bit about what these little microscopic guys are about. But nonetheless, you know, for a covered mattress that never sees dust, I guess, that's not what I like to be sleeping on. For those with allergies, that's a bad sleeping situation. So I'm actually going to empty this and take it to another mattress that doesn't have the pillow top, that does not have the protector on it. This is what my kids are sleeping on. I'm not liking that too much, not at all. And they don't have a pillow top mattress protector, big foamy like I do, so yikes.